Here comes today Ashgard Wadis. You can make a curry from this. Very tasty and delicious. Here this is koala. That is almost 1.5 kg. Just cut it and remove all the seeds. If the seeds are tender, then it's okay. Otherwise, remove all the seeds. And grate this with the skin. Then you will get a very crispy bodies out of it. This I have grated all the ashgar with the skin. You can see all water is coming out. Just put all this grated ashgar in a strainer. Let all the water comes down. Put plate over it, and if you want, you can keep one weight over it. So all the water will come down. Now take these ingredients. This is coriander seeds, almost a half a cup. This is udit dal. This is fenugreek, that is methi, jeera. You can use your jeera, soaked jeera or a roasted jeera. This is a hing. This is called the Irani hings. See, now all the water is removed from this in a vessel. Now with this water you have to soak the udit dal. Nicely wash it and soak this for 4 hours. All the measurements are given in the ingredient box. Soak with this water hing, methi. You have to soak all the ingredients with this ashgard water. Cumin seed, if you want to grind it with the udit dal, then soak it. Otherwise, you have to roast this cumin and coriander seed. Then don't soak it. I have used here roasted cumin seed. Soak this udit dal for 4 hours. When you are making, grate this ashgard in the afternoon. By evening, all water will come down. Then soak this udit dal in the water. This is mustard seed overnight. And morning you can grind it. Roast this coriander. This is roasting cumin seeds. Grind udit dal, mustard seed and salt. We want a thick paste. Now this is a grated ashgar. Add to it 4 tablespoons roasted coriander powder, 2 tablespoons roasted cumin powder, and make a paste of hing and methi together and add to it. This is a paste of methi and hing. Now add turmeric powder and chili powder. Chili powder should be according to your taste. And this is a paste of udit dal and mustard seed. mix all this together. Mix it properly. Now this is mixed together nicely. Put plastic on the table and put small portion on that plastic to dry up. This is the first day. On the second day, you just lift it and dry it again. It takes 3 to 4 days to dry up completely. Now this vada is ready. You can make a curry of it. Subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.